case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In the 1950 case, Johnson v. Eisentrager, the Supreme Court of the United States addressed the issue of whether enemy aliens who served the enemy had the right to access U.S. courts, as doing so could potentially benefit the enemy during wartime. The case specifically involved a group of German prisoners of war who were convicted of breaking the laws of war by fighting against the U.S. after Germany's surrender, but before Japan's surrender. These prisoners sought a writ of habeas corpus in a U.S. court, but the Supreme Court ruled against them. The court determined that non-resident enemy aliens who sided with an enemy government were not entitled to habeas corpus protection and could not challenge their imprisonment in American courts. This decision was based on the Alien Enemy Act of 1798, which grants the president authority over enemy aliens during war for the sake of national security. The court's focus was not on reviewing the case itself, but on determining the lawful power of the military commission to try the prisoners. The court found that the prisoners were not exempt from prosecution under the Geneva Convention for war crimes. Ultimately, the majority opinion in the case clarified the jurisdiction of U.S. courts versus military authorities when it came to enemy aliens overseas. The Supreme Court held that the prisoners were not entitled to a writ of habeas corpus in American courts and could not retry the case or review the findings of the military commission. Although the Constitution ensures equal justice, American courts lack jurisdiction to review the legality of sentences imposed by military tribunals in foreign territories.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.